Sloangel Diary. Sloangel at Sushi Factory. Hello everyone. Does Sloangel come to sushi restaurant today? That's right, Sloangel. It seems that Sloangel is at the sushi factory instead of the sushi restaurant. You can see a pile of rice and seasonings in front of you. You can also see the plates that are often used in conveyor belt sushi. There seem to be sushi type quiz. Let's take a look from one place. Sushi type quiz. Diagnose your sushi type. Answer the question with yes or no. If you go to see the answer, you will find the sushi type. I'm very excited. What kind of sushi type Sloangel is? Let's go together start. Sushi is absolutely without wasabi. What about you? Sloangel is yes. I think the type will be changed a lot here. Question 2. When you go to conveyor belt sushi, you will eat more than 10? What about you? Sloangel has less than 10 dishes if you include sweets. This question seems to be changed the type of considerably. Question 3. You want to be said to be more cute than beautiful? What about you? Sloangel want to be called cute. Question 4. You like standard things rather than rare ones? What about you? Do you like to eat rare and never eaten before foods? Sloangel seems to like to eat sushi that she usually eats. When you go to the shop, you can stack these dorate plates one after another like this. It seems that diagnosis has been made. Sloangel like a tuna. It's too close to see. Let's move away. Is maguro tuna type of person you are go-getter? Even with seaweed, you can find what you want to do one after another. So you may have to do something at the same time. I want to explain about ちょっとずつmore exactly. Really think about other things you will do for your goal. As simply, when you start one thing, you concentrate on it until it's done. After that, I have to find the next goal. That's right. Sloangel is interested in better things, so everyone seems to be able to enjoy better things with Sloangel. By the way, what is Sloangel doing? It looks like she became a tuna. By the way, today we tried sushi type diagnosis at the sushi factory. I'll explain some things that you will always find at the conveyor belt sushi. Please mind it when you go to conveyor belt sushi next time. When you enter the shop, you will be guided to your seat. After that, your favorite sushi will come around. So take a plate, eat it, and pay before you leave the showplace. The price depends on the color of the plates. Okay? There's a tea here. There's a tea here in this box, and you can add hot water yourself. Yeah, you can add hot water yourself and enjoy the delicious things. There are also seasoning here. Okay, these are seasonings, so you can enjoy it you are liking. At last, please take a look at the company brand sushi. See you in the next video. The end.